Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use text join function in Excel. It is used to combine two words written in separate cell into a single cell. In our example, we are going to write first name and last name into a single cell. In a new column, let's combine these pieces of information. Click on the cell where you want your combined text to appear. Type is equal to text join, open bracket. So the first parameter is delimiter. In our case, we will use inverted commas, and between inverted commas, we will press space bar to create a space. This will allow us to create a gap between first name and last name, comma. You have to select true here to ignore the empty cells, if any, between the two or three cells. So double click it, and next you have to select the cells which you want to combine. So in our case, it's the first name and the last name. Click the first name John, comma, and now the last name Doe. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you go.